All right, let's stare at part B. And we have the conversion here, x equals r cosine theta and r sine theta for y. Okay, so let's try to rewrite r because we have cosecant theta, and cosecant is the reciprocal of sine. So why don't we just write it as like minus 6 over sine theta. All right. So if I multiply both sides by sine, I get r sine theta equals negative 6. And this is our lucky day because our sine theta is what we called y. So this implies that y equals negative 6. So we eliminated r and theta, and there's no one of them left in the final form, and we have y equals negative 6, and we know that that defines a horizontal line. Okay, we can go ahead and graph that. Okay, you can go ahead and graph that. But this is going to be essentially a horizontal line. But I also want you to graph it the way I described in the first part. Please do it. All right, so I'm going to end this video right here, but you can continue to my next video for part C. All right, bye.